Good morning. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks, and we're broadcasting from the live trading room. It is October 21. The market's been open for about 20 minutes. Bro on the watch list today, and Bro, BRO, was on the watch list yesterday as well. And you can see it hitting the 60-minute high over here. Uh, you see the gap up. It's now approaching the our target area. So if you're long this, you want to be thinking about some profits at this point. A few profits. Kind of looks like the SPY is trying really hard to take out our 123.50 area. That's what I'm looking for to get maybe crazy bullish. Certainly, we need to take that out before we can reach up and grab the 200-day moving average up here. So we want to watch this level. We need to clear it. This PACB came up on the 60-minute high. Um, Over here, it's turning white. That means it's likely to turn green in just a minute, which means it'll break out of yesterday's high on the daily chart. This is all also set up for a very nice pinball setup, looking for the 34 exponential, then the 50-day moving average. Then we'd be looking somewhere up here for a target up in what is that about? Let's see, about 775, something like that. This it's test alert, test alert, test alert. This is a new alert we've been kind of working on. DNN I bought this morning when it started popping up. And if we come over here and let's see, DNN gapped up over the 50-day simple moving average. If it can clear, what is it, about $1.40, $1.41, which looks like it's doing that, we're looking at a target up near about $1.70. XRX is another one. Coming from a bullish engulf, has made a nice little rally. We've got a little consolidation right here, a doji gap up, putting all the three moving averages, or four moving averages, counting the T line as well. But the 20, the T line, the 34 exponential, 50 simple, setting that all behind it. Even if this sets back down on the 50, that's just a little bit of consolidation. And if it holds up over the 50, I would suspect this is going to run up. This one needs to clear about $8, $8 and a nickel to $8 and a dime, and then we could see something up into the 850 range. A breakout here probably sends it to the 200-day moving average. Let's take a look at the SPY again. We're still under our 123.50 area. We need to break out and hold that by the end of the day. Just a little peek up there during the day is not going to get it. We need to see a close up there. What we do not want to see here, unless you're bearish, is a sell signal. We don't want to see an ugly sell signal up here. Jojo, yeah, STEC is working out very well. It's trying hard to break out of where it needs to break out of. And then from there, we'll look something up a bit higher. We've got a whole up to the 200-day moving average, possibly. It's certainly not going to go in one big swoop, but we might get that up, back, moving up here. You can see we've got STEC making a 60-minute high. Gigi's been talking about HCA for a while, and it's moving up nice, making a new day high, getting ready to attack this 2340 area. And we can see STEC popped a new day high and then pulled back just slightly. We'll keep an eye on that. Looks like XLF is giving us a high here. Nice to have the money in the market. That's what is going to help drive the market up. Thanks for the yellow cake list there, Gigi. URZ, I'm still holding that one. I lived through a bit of this pain right here. Now it's starting to consolidate and move up pretty good. So we'll see if this can reach, what about a $2.50 target to start with. Let's put a little mark up there. Whoops. There we go. $2.50 target is what I'll look for, and then reevaluate up there. Thank you for that list. Appreciate it. Looks like CECO is trying to come up, making a new day high. You can see it over here, also making a 60-minute high, which if it's making a new day high, it's also making a 60-minute high. Bought this one on the pullback after this gap. Gap up, it pulled back. I bought it down there, and now it's moving up. I pulled this off of this test alert where we're getting the gaps. This is where I bought this one from, where it showed the gap up over the moving averages, and then I caught it on the pullback, bought it as low as I could near the support area, and now it's moving up very well. Those with the scanner, this alert here, might as well put it out there now. I think it's working well enough. Let's see, what is the name of this? Gap up, let's see. It's gap up through the 20, the 34, and the 50. So I'm going to take this name off of it and click Save. That's the name of it if you wanted to go get it. Gap up through 20, 34, 50. Nice looking chart, Wiley. Nice entry. You say $11. You got it pre-market. Sweet. Good job. I'm buying some of this CETV here on this gap up from a doji over the 50-day moving average. My CECO buy from 3 days ago is acting pretty good. We're starting to break out now. If it can break out here, let's see, I suspect about $20 is what we'll look for, a target near $20 on this. And then DN, that's moving up very nice. It's getting close to that 50 right now. Break out of the 50 and the 34. That's where I'm going to look for it. I know some people here are already in it. It's looking great. That's fantastic. I'll be getting involved on that breakout. I'm going to wait and pay a little higher.